time for unboxing. And somebody was asking, actually unboxing and testing, somebody was asking, how many batteries does this drill have? And shock unto you, only one battery. Let us see. Okay, so the packaging, very nice. It's open like this. And just grab this handle and pull it out. So that's how it looks. Fantastic. This is the box. How many batteries? Ta-ding! Yeah. One battery, 20 volts. One drill, one charger, one welcome guide, and screw bits. No, drill bits, sorry. 6 of them. 2 for metal, 2 for wood, and 2 for concrete. What does it mean? It means that this machine can actually drill through concrete. And that's how it looks. Okay. So you have this arrow here, and you can adjust either to, for screwing, that is drilling the screws, and you can adjust to, this one is for screwing or, putting in screws and of course removing. This one is for drilling, and this is the hammer function. Okay, and this is speed adjustment. 1, 2, of course that is 3, 4. Okay, for adjusting the speed. This is the chuck. Of course that's how to close it, and you just do it by hand. Okay, and what else do we have? We have this switch for changing the direction, either for clockwise or anti-clockwise. It has a very nice click to it, and there we go. Let us see what this one does, because it's written number 1 and number 2. Good. There is the battery, only for the provided use. Only use the provided adapter for charging. This is 20 volts, 2000 milliamperes, lithium ion. And here the battery pack, 18 volts, 18.5 volts, 2000 milliamperes, 37 watt hours. And this one is for checking the level of the charge, and those 3 ones means that it is full. Of course this one is for releasing the battery from the machine, and this is for charging. So just take your charger out of here and just put it there, and you put it in the main socket. Okay, so away with this, and we are going to test to see if it will indeed charge, but I doubt if it's going to charge because it's already full. So that's how to mount it. Just put it there and you slip it into position like that. That is our machine, and there we go. Whoa. Okay, that is anti-clockwise, that is clockwise. This is speed adjustment. You can see it is moving slowly. That one is doing faster. Can I stop this thing with my hand when it is in the hammer function? Let us see. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yes, indeed, I can hold this with my hand and stop it. See? Okay, let us check on the drilling side. Can I stop it with my hand? In 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, I can. But it has a pretty oomph to it. Okay. Not bad. And now let us check the screwing function. Can I stop it with my hand? No. Of course, that one is connected to the clutch, and it's because of just screwing it up to a certain strength, up to a certain torque, then it just stops, and you can hear the clutch slipping. So the one that is most powerful is when working with the hammer function, and of course when it is at speed 2. I expect when it is at speed 1, I expect the torque to be higher, and yes, that torque is a bit higher when it is at speed 1. So this is not a tool that I would say it's for industrial purpose. This is just for DIY. This is just for doing simple tasks in the home, or somebody who likes just doing your own stuff. I would not say that it is for heavy industrial work. I wouldn't say that it is a machine that you will say that you will put it into productivity and trying to trying to make money, trying to make items to sell, or putting it through heavy work. No, that is not the function. This is I know it was meant primarily for simple home duties or home things that we're doing at home. And I normally make amplifiers and speakers, and I have a few jobs that I need to do inside this premise. I need to be making shelves